Hey, this is my Dodge Journey 2020, has about 130,000 miles on it, and in this video I'm going to show you how Uniseal virtually removed all of the swirls that are on the hood of my car. So check this out. Okay, so here you can see the scratches on my hood, and again these are called swirl marks. You get them from going through the car wash over and over again, and they're pretty deep. Most places would say that you really have to go down to the clear coat. But I took it down to Uniseal because I didn't want to go down to the clear coat. That's a whole other process. And they said they can get most of it out, 90% of it out, just through what they call their technique of buffering and reapplying the chemicals and buffering. So they allowed me to go ahead and record this. And again, this is just this portion of my car. And this guy was like a surgeon. He would buff the car. Now, by the way, this video is about 20 times sped up 20 times. So this guy would buffer the car, he'd wipe it down. I thought it looked great. I don't know what he would see, but he'd do it again. And I'm not sure what chemicals he would use. I'm sure Uniseal can fill in the gaps here, but this guy would shine it up, and again, I thought it was great. But no, he saw whatever he saw, and he started buffering it again. And again, this is just this portion of my car that is what I taped. And then he buffered it a fourth time. And looking at it and making sure everything looks good. When he wiped it down this time, he was finally happy. And I got to show you the results of my hood. Now, if you notice, you can still see a little bit of it. You can still see a little bit of it, but man, look at the difference. This is a before shot, and this is after. And let me show you another one. That's before, and that's after. And some of these other marks are not on my hood. This is just reflections from the light above. But I'll tell you what, Uniseal is just incredible. If you need anything done to the exterior of your car, I highly recommend you give these guys a call.